Welcome. This is natural pig farming. This is our maize farm where we have planted our maize for our pigs. We are going to harvest and we are going to feed them to our pigs, because we raise our pigs using corn and wheat bran and Poland. We found that it's more easier for us to grow our own maize so that we can be able to feed our pigs. So in natural farming, it is extended up to now to the farming of the corn. We don't use any chemical fertilizer. We only use manure and also spray IMO and JMS, Jadam Micro Solution, which helps the soil to become a good and better soil. Thank you. Please like our page. Thank you very much. Welcome.